Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Hobonichi or Fauxbonichi setup video for you this week. This is the kit I'm going to be using. This is called Leela. It's my daughter's birthday on Tuesday this week, and I've designed a kit kind of based on everything that she's currently obsessed with. So you can see there's unicorns, stars, rainbows, fairies, magic, all that kind of stuff. So there's the first sheet and the second sheet and the final sheet. I also wanted to show you the kind of traveller's notebook style cover I made for my Fauxbonichi. I used to have my bullet journal in a cover with inserts and then realised that I didn't like it because I never actually used the inserts, and I just kind of put everything in the bullet journal. So I just scrapped the traveller's notebook idea and just stuck with the journal. But I am currently using my my Fauxbonichi along with like a little insert that I had left over from my pocket TN from ages ago, and I've been jotting down all my notes and everything in there, but I keep losing it, and I was going to find it today and I've put it down somewhere and I can't find where I put it. So my plan was to make a little cover and kind of put it with my Hobonichi along with an insert and see how I got on with it. I've made one so that I didn't have to pay loads of money for it if I didn't like it, if it didn't work out. If I decide that I do like it, then I might, you know, spend some money on a nicer looking cover. But this one kind of will do for the time being. So I used some felt and kind of sewed it together really roughly around the edge, and then I had some elastic from an old TN that I had lying around that I've kind of whipped out. So this is kind of the home for my Fauxbo for the time being. I've just ordered some inserts, so I've currently got this in on 2 elastics, but I'll just stick this in on 1 elastic and put the insert in the back. Then I can use that for kind of all the notes and random bits I jot down for my shop, rather than using the little insert that I've been losing and leaving everywhere. So this is last week's spread. This was the Always Be You kit, and it's the last week of February, so we're now moving into March, and here is the next week's page. So I'm going to stop rambling on and get to it. So here's my final spread, using the very pink and very unicorny kit. This is what I have left. So I got quite a bit of deco left, some check boxes and icons, loads of icons and quarter boxes, half boxes, sorry, and a couple more quarter boxes and deco checklists and stuff. And I'll kind of add the deco later on in the week once I kind of know where all the space and stuff is. I'm going to stick that in the front there, so I can use that throughout the week. One more thing I need to add to it. This is my folder of stickers. It's really disorganised and a real muddle, but somewhere in here near the back I have some birthday box, and I'm just going to use one of these little mini ones for Leela's birthday. Let's do cool. Right. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so here's one of the new releases. This week it is my Mother's Day kit. So this is the Erin Condren version. It's a full kit. You get your full boxes, your little things, your half boxes and quarter boxes. I've added extra quarter boxes in here, so you get loads more boxes in this new reformat. Checklists and some quarter boxes at the bottom there. Your deco icons, a couple more checklists and some half boxes, and you get some headers, bottom washi. You really like this bottom washi, date covers, weekend banner, and some half boxes. And then here's your header sheet with a few extra bits of deco as well. So that's the full kit. It also comes in a mini kit slash bullet journal kit. This is the one that I use in my bullet journal. So there's your first sheet, your second sheet, third, and your final sheet. And this is the reformatted mini kit, so you get this bigger weekend banner and a couple of extra quarter boxes there as well. And finally it comes in a Fauxbonichi weeks kit. I use this one in my Fauxbonichi. So there's your first page and your second page and your third page. So these kits will be out on Saturday. The other new releases this week are Bob's camera, and you can get them in normal size sheet, normal size icons, or the mini icons. It's a smaller sheet. You can see the size comparison there. So you get Bob with a camera, and then you get a little camera as well. I've been using these for kind of sightseeing trips and bits and pieces, but you could use them for photography or picture days, anything really that kind of involves a camera. So that's the new releases for this week.